That's me, 2v2.
Alright.
2v2.
So
Me
now
and Ivan,
we're
me and
in-
Ivan.
so now
So
we're
wanna
here.
leave?
So-
Oh,
I'm
me and Cameron. Me and Cam. Me and Cam.
I'm just gonna.
You and Cam?
So me and Cam are red.
I'm
So
just gonna-
you are gonna be on blue. You be on blue.
I'm just.
Okay, yeah. Let's go, Ivan.
Alright, guys.
I've never played this. Have you played this yet?
Alright, it's okay.
No.
It's okay, you guys. Just put your. It's okay. I'll show you. Alright.
Double.
Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's fight. Protect our rocks. Where's Nevaeh? Representera. He's already dead. Where's Nevaeh? Nevaeh, where are you?
We're winning. Stay dead, buddy.
Hold on.
Let me finish this. He's about to win.
Dang it. Next round it's me and Ivan against all of you guys. Not today, Satan. I didn't want to grab the shotguns. I'm trying. I'm trying to thing. Look. Ivan! We need to watch.
I go this way, you go that way. I bet.
Where'd you go? Ah! Hey, stop messing around and help me fight. How?
Yeah, bro. Ivan, go.
You guys suck. That's why you guys have to double. But I killed you.
Oh, what a shot! Yeah, you guys have to double team.
Suck.
There's a safe zone, Cameron. Hold on, just let me finish this. Dang it. Oh.
Like 5 minutes. You deserve to die. Me?
Oh.
Yes, I got you anyways.
You suck.
Yes. Ha. I got you though.
Okay, we must grab shotguns and
I'm not.
fighting.
I don't like shotguns, so.
No.
Look at it.
Push reloading.
Ivan!
Oh yes, you cheat. Ivan still hasn't died. Yeah, bro. I'll pick.
He's
up-
coming.
Put you back in your body. Yeah, bro. That.
No. Oh, you can't save me. I think I just did. I have two on me.
die. Stay down, buddy.
The other one's coming.
I know he is.
No, how did he kill me?
Killed. I killed him, don't worry.
They're coming. Let's go! Oh, we get defeated. Wait, isn't it?
Yo, I have to get off.
have to use
I have to get off.
Isn't it Vase still here?
Of course you do.
Here, it's me, and you.
Bye.
Here. Who has to go?
Me and you.
Who's that? Yeah, I have to go.
Because
Right here.
me and you.
Who's this? Stay together.
Give me a minute.
Start the game.
No, not.
Okay.